Hello student, this is our computer class and we are studying lesson 3 computer viruses. So in our previous class we have already studied about virus types of viruses. Now what is virus symptoms? Given below are some of the symptoms that include that the system is virus affected. The first point is computer starts doing things on its own like moving the cursor all by yourself, randomly opening and closing the window. That is the symptom of a virus. Computer may shut down and restart frequently. Malfunctioning may be noticed in several applications. Certain drives on the computer become inaccessible, means you cannot be accessed open that drive. Unexpected error messages pop-ups, menus and dialog box may appear distorted. Speed of a computer drops. That are some virus symptoms of computer. Now how virus spreads. Virus programs are self-replicated programs which propagate by infecting more and more computer files. Means it is infected by more and more computer files, thus resulting in loss of speed and destruction of data. So we can lose our speed and also lose the data. Computer viruses usually spread in one of the three ways. First, via removable storage devices. Sharing and transfer files via flash drive, that is pen drive or any other medium, is a very common practice today. If this drive contain malicious file and if it will infect the computer with which it is attached. Likewise, if a flash drive is inserted in an infected computer, it will also be infected with the virus. So this is the common problem. This infected the drive then become the vector and is capable of spreading the virus onto other computers. Means it can spread the other computer also. If the operating system on those machines had an enables or auto run feature, the auto run function launches installers and other program automatically when a flash drive or CD is inserted. The virus can be embedded in a normal file or a flash drive. Even if the auto run feature is disabled, the computer will become infected when the file is open. And when we open the file, that computer become infected and we have the virus in our computer. The second is from the internet. We get virus from the internet also. Let's read how we get the virus from the computer. Computer virus spread very quickly through internet because they can be transmitted to many sites simultaneously. One site to another and to another. So it can be transferred to many sites simultaneously. एक साथ. There are many websites which while visiting try to install adware bugs that will cause a flood of pop-ups to appear on your screen. This adware often allow for other rogue program to be installed and before you know it, your computer get filled with filthy material. Or it is a type of virus. Through email attachments. Virus may be sent as an executable file. You you may be sent virus may be sent by executive file with an email attachment and mislead the recipient into clicking on it, or if we click on it, the virus gets spread into our computer. Next is sweeper. Sweeper is another type of virus which look like an antivirus program and the user unintentionally download it. This virus makes use of Google services to install the malicious code on the computer. So with the help of Google, they also install the malicious codes on the computer. Once installed, it creates a variety of harmless or fake malware files in the computer, which get automatically started when the user logs into Windows. It controls the browsing activity of the user. You have you don't have any control on the browsing activity. Change system file. You also change the system files without the user's knowledge, without the knowledge of the user. On running it perform scan and prompt security alerts by displaying the list of these fake malware files. These alerts are shown to scare the user into thinking that his computer is infected, and the users think that their computer is infected. One should ignore these alerts and make use of proper step to remove the malicious code. You have to take a proper steps to delete or remove that malicious codes. Next is malware. Malware program. The term malware is made up of two words, malicious and software. Malware means malicious softwares. It is generic. It is a generic term used for such programs that enter into a computer and damage it without the user's knowledge. Without the knowledge of the user, malware not only interrupts the normal function of the computer, it means malware affect the normal functioning of the computer, but also steals important information and also steals the information of the user. Some example of data stealing malwares are bancos. It is the information stealer that waits for a user to access banking website only for the corruption purpose, only for the stealing purpose, sorry. And while surfing, it steals the sensitive information, also steal the sensitive information. Now the gator, it secretly monitor web surfing habit. It secrets the monitors web surfing habit and send this information to its server, and send the information to the server with the which then throws related pop-ups advertisement and also show you the pop-up advertisement. So student, that's all from this class. We will discuss the other forms of virus in our next class. If you have any problem regarding this chapter till now, you can ask me during the class hours. Thank you students. Thank you for listening.